Alright, solve by graphing. Take your calculator, turn your calculator on, and go to y equals. The handout tells us we need to enter the left-hand side in y1 and the right-hand side in y2. Now what we're trying to find is the value of x that's going to make these equal. Okay? Now we can look at the graph. The left-hand side is x cubed, so it's going to have a curve to it, and the right-hand side is x plus 3. It's linear. It's going to be a straight line. Do those two intersect? Do they intersect? Yes, you see that the line hits there. How many times do they intersect? 3. Going to have 3 answers. The easiest thing to do is going to be go to your table. Press second in table, and let's look to see if maybe those intersections show up in the table. What is it that you're looking for when you get to this table? You want to know when y1 and y2 are the same. So do you see any of those in the table? Okay, you see -3, 0. That's one of them. When x is -3, both of the y values are 0. Is there another place? At negative? I'm sorry? No, it's when the two y values are the same.
I know, but like that on that screen at least it looks like it happened. No,
it happened when
it doesn't on 5.
Okay. Okay. -1 and 2. And then what's the other one? 1 and 4. Okay, so what are the 3 answers for this? -3, -1, and 4. Okay. Any questions there? TC, you see what we did?
What did y'all put in the calculator? I didn't get that
On the y1 we put in x cubed plus 3x squared, and y2 we put x plus 3. Did they say this side equals that side? So I put them in there, and I go to the table, and I'm looking for what numbers cause the left side to really equal the right side, because those are the ones I'm looking for. Any questions on how to do this? Okay, moving right along. The next thing we need to talk about is the sum of cubes and the difference of cubes. Hurry. Sum of cubes and difference of cubes. Sum of cubes is factored into x plus y, and then x squared minus xy plus y squared. The difference of cubes is x minus y times x squared plus xy plus y squared. They are exactly the same except for the location of the minus sign. Each pattern has one subtraction sign in it. The difference of cubes has it in the first set of parentheses. The sum of cubes has it in the second set. Okay? Now, how do you handle those? You're going to have to know these. These are not something you can figure out as you go along. You just kind of have to memorize this. So wherever you stick this piece of paper, keep it handy. The first thing you need to know is what is it that you're going to cube to get x cubed? X. And then what is it that you cube to get 8? 2. Now x is x and y is 2. So this is the pattern that I'm going to use. X minus 2 times, what do we have here? X squared plus x times y. In this case, x is x and y is 2, and so you multiply them together and you get 2x plus y squared. What's the y value in this problem? 2, and when you square it, you get 4. No, it's not -2. You kind of isolate the number over here. You treat that minus sign as part of the formula. Okay, next, 8x cubed minus 1. What is it that you cube to get 8x cubed? (2x). What is it that you cube to get 1? Are you writing this down? You cube 1, right? So in this problem, everywhere you see x, you're going to use 2x, and everywhere you see 1, you're going to y, you're going to use 1. So it starts off with 2x minus 1 times, you're going to have to square that. What are you going to get when you square 2x? (2x), and it gets squared. Let's do it like this. Plus 2x times 1 plus 1 squared. So I have 2x minus 1 times, what do I get here? 4x squared plus 2x plus 1. Questions so far? Okay, let's do the last example. What is it that you cube to get 8x cubed? 2x. What is it that you cube to get 125? Do 125 to the 1/3 power. See what it tells you. Five. Okay, here we go. You're going to use this formula this time. Start off 2x 5 times 2x squared minus 2x times 5 plus 5 squared. Any questions on how I place those things in there? Do y'all know why I put those things in there where I did? Yes? Yes?
I don't understand why, oh,
TC, you got it? Chanel, you with me?
not really, no.
What part of it's confusing you?
The second part, whenever you put in that long sum of cubes.
Okay, look right up here. Whatever's in the position of x, which is this right here, goes everywhere x goes.
Okay.
And whatever's in the position of y goes where y goes.
Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, we good? So let's clean this up. 2x plus 5 times 4x squared minus 10x plus 25.